Happy 9-month birthday, love bug. Look where we're celebrating. This is all for you. Say hi, Grandma. You were all on camera. 11 months old. I love you. Look at you, Bean. Ah. Not up your nose. Not up your nose. Happy 11 months. Yay. Can you stretch? Stretch.
Stretch. Stretch. Stretch. No, Grandma, I'm not in the mood for stretches now.
I need to get back to my book.
I need to get back to my food. And
oh, good girl. Look how pretty. Yes, this is all for me.
This
all right,
is
everybody.
what I want on my birthday.
Wave happy 11 months. Yay.